This is going to be a video tutorial on how to change the default font size in Notepad++. Let me jump over to Notepad++ here. I have Notepad++ opened up now. To change the default font size, you want to go up to the top up here, up to the Settings tab. You want to click on Settings. Then you want to go down to where it says Style Configurator and click on Style Configurator. Now in the little dialog box that opens up, under Language I am on Global Styles, and under Style I am on the default style. Off to the right here, you can change your font style right here. You can make your font bold, italic, or underlined by checking any of these boxes. And right here is your font size. I'm going to click the drop down and I'm going to select 26. You could select whatever you want to select. And then you'll click on Save and Close. That is how to change the default font size in Notepad++. Thanks for watching.